Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Anxiety Worksheets for adults. So what are Anxiety for Adult worksheets? These anxiety worksheets are designed for adults to overcome anxiety symptoms and reduce distress in their day-to-day. Patients can manage their negative emotions and identify triggers for more effective anxiety management. Anxiety worksheets for adults include a variety of dimensions, including the reasons for anxiety, anxiety intensity levels, a physical symptom checklist, the frequency of the symptoms check, anxiety triggers, coping mechanisms, as well as future steps. These worksheets are highly versatile and can be used by psychologists, psychiatrists, psychotherapists, counselors, and more. The first step to using this worksheet is to download the PDF, which can be accessed through our website or app. You will then need to give the worksheet to the client to complete. Make sure that they include sufficient information under each of the 7 headings, including their reasons, their intensity, physical symptoms, frequency, triggers, how they're coping, as well as future steps. Make sure to also include the name and date. Once the worksheet is complete, remember to store it securely. Ideally, this is through a HIPAA-compliant software in order to safeguard patient information. Here's an example of what a completed anxiety worksheet looks like. Feel free to pause the screen at any time, as it does include a lot of extensive information. To use anxiety worksheets for adults in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. There you can filter by notes and by community to view our entire collection. If you'd like to be specific, type in the keyword anxiety to find the relevant note. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template and then select your client. There, this will bring up the Draft tab, where all the relevant information is ready for you to customize. Once you're happy, click Publish to complete.